Cooperation in Africa is our next topic, and under this topic we are first going to understand what Pan-Africanism is. So Pan-Africanism is defined as a belief in the uniqueness and spiritual unity of Black people. So under this topic, having defined and understood what Pan-Africanism is, we're going to explain the origin and development of selected regional organizations in Africa. And these are the Organization of African Unity. These will be the subtopic. We're going to look at the African Union, the East African Community, the ECOWAS, and the COMESA. And finally, look at and try and discuss the performance and the challenges of the respective organizations as listed in under the subtopics of this topic. And so this will be our focus under this topic, so make sure to install the history app so you can study this before or on your own. You can revise, and make sure you subscribe so that you are notified when we upload the discussions on African Union, East African Community, and the rest of the organizations. See you in our next class.